Alright, this is for a 2015 Camaro RS. Yeah, so this is not cheap, right? Just replace this fucking stupid piece. 160 bucks AutoZone. You could get cheaper somewhere else, but unless you want to drive no headlight. So this piece comes off. If you want it, you need to take it off pretty easy, right? Just click back on. Right, should twist. Hopefully that. See, this is what's screwed back in. Yeah. The hardest part, literally the hardest part, you're trying to take it off. Okay. When you see it on YouTube and say, "Oh, it's easy, just pull it." No, they're lying to you. Okay, it's not that easy. So here, clip it in. Boom. Easiest part of the whole thing, clipping it in. Once you clip it in, it should be good to go. Hopefully there's no problems. You don't need, this is for the 2015, like I said. You don't need to take off no bumpers, no bolts, anything. Just take off that little back piece, a little cup, comes right off. The hardest part for me was taking it off. And if you want a video on that, just let me know. Trying to get that, make sure it stays in. So I have a couple. No, that'd be a little bit, you can't see. Alright, go ahead and let me see. This might be easy. Oh, it's okay. Let me see. Put the camera in. This is just fucking bored. Alright, it's gonna be see. Oh, looks like the car is never easy, huh? The other one just fucking screwed right in. It's not fucking rotating. It's supposed to rotate. There it goes. Boom. And that's how you put it in. Make sure you just twist it on so it doesn't, that little thing, twist it so it doesn't come off. Alright, and then give me the cup. Let me get the cup. Here. Alright, where's it at?
It's the passenger side.
Let's be quiet. Give me it. Alright, so this is that little back cup I was talking about. So, now, see, and twist it back, it's on. That's it. Now go ahead and put your lights on. Let's see. So, we were having trouble with the headlight. So I was hoping it wasn't that the ballast. Probably been cheaper. But yeah, every like 30 seconds. Every 30 seconds, the light would come off. So let's hopefully it all works. And I put the bulb in all the way. Are you gonna start it up? Alright. Boom, look at that. Bolt on. The best thing to do, if you don't know, to me, there's run the wires, check the wires. You don't need to do all that. The best thing to do is just, honestly, if the bulb kit's going out or shutting off every 30 seconds, what I did is take them off, switch them, and that's it. Yeah, it's not that easy, but all you have to do is just switch them out and try it that way. Don't be like, oh, run the wires, test the wires. That's nonsense. I would just check the bulbs, check them out, and see if it's just one side of the bulb, because the other one